So if you are looking for the top Solana meme coins, then I have a place for you. And I'm going to tell you guys right now that this one website is going to help you out dramatically, especially when it comes to, say, looking for what is popping. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into the Solana meme coins. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to be talking about, obviously, as I mentioned, the top Solana meme coins. And I want you guys to understand, probably one of the best places to find these is going to be in the platform known as Deck Screener. Now, this is perfect, especially for finding new tokens. Not only that, checking out new charts. And I want you guys to understand, you can even see brand new pairs, top gainers, and a lot more. Okay, so if we actually take a look here, you guys can see, we could see some of the top crypto Solana tokens that are gaining a massive amount of attention. I mean, look at some of these gainers here, you guys. Okay, so you can see some of these are absolutely crazy. Now, does this mean that they're all legit? I'm gonna straight up say no. Okay, but in this case, what we're gonna do is we're actually just gonna click over here for market cap, and you guys will see some of these and exactly how they are. So what we want to do is we want to click over here. We're going to go to Solana. All right, and we're going to just click over here, and you guys will see right here that we got some of the top. We got BONK, we got the Pudgy Penguins, okay, we got FARTCOIN, and then we even got Pump. Now, if we take a look here at this one, I'm just kind of disappointed, to be honest with you, because look, well, it pumped up and it dumped. Okay, that's exactly what happened with pump swap. Okay, was pump swap. All right, so that's exactly where it was traded, right? So massive pump up and massive dump to the downside. Now listen, this one might eventually get a massive reversal, just not yet, or at least not anytime soon. Okay, going back, you guys will see right here we have useless coin as well. Look at that market cap is about 2 months old. We got this one right here. This one's about 2 years old. We got Vine coin, which has probably been here for a long time, but you guys will see right here, and look at that, absolutely beautiful. This one's definitely trying to get a massive reversal here, as you guys can clearly see. Okay, so Vine coin. Okay, so anyways, if we just kind of continue, you guys will see that there is a massive amount of different Solana meme coins that you can check out, right? A lot of these are on Radium. Not only that, Meteora, we got on Pump as well. Troll, I'm surprised to see that this one's still hanging in there, right? As you guys can clearly see. Okay, it's still hanging in there after quite some time. It actually looks pretty decent in my opinion. All right, beautiful market cap at about 1.3 million. If we kind of continue down, you guys will see right here we got another one called like Ponzi. All right, so that one literally just started trading not too long ago, and obviously it already looks horrible. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't look good there, right? So if you guys are looking for some brand new ones, you can go right here to new pairs, and you guys can see some of these just started, right? So you got to be careful though, right? You got to make sure some of these aren't just like phishing, some of them aren't scams, right? You can see age, transactions, volume, makers, right? Market cap though just seems a little weird. Look at that low liquidity, right? So you guys can clearly see that. Okay, so use your best judgment and find some good ones like this one. Ponzi obviously seems like probably one of the best, but the chart is not good at all. This one right here, we got what is known as Charcoin. I mean, that one just kind of looks like trash, as you guys can clearly see, right? So there is a lot of Solana meme coins, but I'm telling you guys right now, probably the best ones to keep eyes on obviously is going to be the ones that have the biggest market cap, right? But not only that, but the ones that are probably trending and the ones that probably have been here for a long time, right? So Stonks, that actually well, it looked pretty good, and it just kind of looks suspicious now, right? But I want you guys to understand there's a big opportunity, especially whenever it comes to these Solana meme coins. Your best bet is probably going to be with BONK, right? So BONK has been here for a long time. Okay, so this one's always gaining attention. Okay, and if we take a look here at the daily chart, you guys can see that we're definitely trying to look for a big reversal to the upside here, especially whenever it comes to BONK, right? Then we got the pudgy penguins, as we've already briefly mentioned. I mean, this one, wow, beautiful reversal. All right, so nice. We got liquidity right there, which is pretty good. Market cap, look at that, so not too bad for that one. And then we got FARTCOin, which is probably one of the top ones, as you guys are all aware. Look at that beautiful price. I mean, it's still somehow hanging in there. Beautiful liquidity, and market cap is pretty good as well. And then yeah, it just kind of continues. All right, so I'm gonna highly recommend that you guys keep eyes on these Solana meme coins. You can see up here all dexes. We got Pump Swap, we got Radium, Orca, Meteora, Launch Lab, we got Pump.fun. Okay, we got Flux Beam, right? Dex Lab, right? Moonit, and then we got Coin Chief. And yeah, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna highly recommend that you guys dive down into this, check it out, right? Solana meme coins, I mean, they're going crazy, you guys, but you guys should know the biggest ones in the game, right? And if needed, we can simply click right here. We can go to coin market cap. We're not taking a look at this one, but we can actually just kind of take a look at some other ones, right? Actually, Degen is actually probably one of the best ones in my opinion. It's actually on the Solana network, which is actually pretty cool. But you're gonna be able to dive down into different meme coins, right? And I want you guys to understand that. Not only that, you're gonna be able to check out, especially whenever it comes to say different you know, networks, right? So you guys can see right here for Solana, you can just click there and see all the ones that are popping, right? Not all of these are meme coins, but once again, we got BONK, we got pudgy penguins, as we've already talked about. There's official Trump, right? We got SPX 600, we got FARTCOIN, Doge with hat, doggy with hat, right? And a lot more. Okay, so there you guys have it, right? Solana meme coins. Check it out and let me know exactly what you think. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Deck screener. You can go to coin market cap. I mean, as you guys clearly saw, Solana meme coins, these things are going crazy, and I think Solana is always getting a massive amount of a flood of brand new tokens, right? Especially meme coins. So anyways, check out the links down below. Leave a comment, tell me exactly what you guys think. Smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, and we're gonna see you in the next one.